Tired of juggling multiple social media platforms and wish posting was a breeze? Let's dive into how Zapier can automate your social media game. First, head over to Zapier.com and log in. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free to start. Now, let's start building our automation. Click on Create Zap on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Every Zap has a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the automation, and the action is what Zapier does. Let's say you want to share blog posts. Automatically select RSS by Zapier as your trigger app. This means every time a new blog post goes live, it will trigger the Zap. Choose New Item and Fee as the trigger event. Now, paste the URL of your blog's RSS feed into the field provided. Zapier will monitor this feed for new posts. Zapier will test the trigger to make sure it's working correctly. This will also show you the data available from your feed, like the post title and URL. Next, choose the Action app, which is where you want to share the content. Let's select Twitter. You could also choose Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other social media platform. Select Create Tweet as the action event. Connect your Twitter account to Zapier by logging in now. For the exciting part, customizing your tweet. Use the RSS feed data to populate your tweet. For example, add the post title and link to create an engaging message. You can also add hashtags to improve reach. Give your Zap a descriptive name like Auto Tweet Blog Posts. Finally, turn your Zap on. That's it. Now, every time a new post appears in your RSS feed, Zapier will automatically tweet it for you. You can repeat this process for other social media platforms too. Say goodbye to manual posting and hello to effortless automation.